Hello, programmers. Today I'd like to show you how to add new pages to a Scratch Junior project. And pages are over here on the right side. Now, I want to draw in some numbers for my characters, and those would be over on the left side. So I don't need tick for this, the character tick for this project. So I'm going to press down on my keypad or my mouse, and I should see a white X with a red circle. I'm going to click on that X and get rid of tick. Now I want to add a number. So I'm going to add the number 1 to this project. To do that, I click on the plus sign for my characters. And up here in the upper right, I'm going to click on the paintbrush. And the paintbrush lets me draw my own, whatever I want to draw, my own characters in Scratch Junior. Over here on the left, the top one is line. I could draw a circle, a square or a rectangle, and a triangle if I wanted to. I want to draw a line because I'm going to draw a number. And I think the medium-sized line in the middle, the thickness, is what I want. And the colors across the bottom, I'm going to leave it on the color black. So my character here is the number 1. That looks pretty good. And I'm going to change the title of it to number 1. And then I'm going to click on the white check mark. And there's my number 1. Now this number 1 is on my page 1, which is kind of like a scene, kind of like a backdrop. I want to add another backdrop or another scene. So I would click on this plus sign to add another page. Okay, here's my new page. Notice that tick shows up as the character on this page. I don't need tick, so I'm going to press on the yellow rectangle up here and press on the white X and get rid of tick. I'm going to add a character to page 2. This character is, can you guess? I'm going to click on the paintbrush. If this is page 2, I'm in line, medium thickness, black color. I want this to be a number 2, and I'm going to name it number 2. Click on the white check in the upper right, and here's a number 2. Now watch, I can click on page 1, and it shows a 1. Page 2, it shows a 2. What do I do if I want someone to be able to go back and forth between these pages without having to click on the pages themselves? Well, I can add another character to my page 1. I'm going to add a red ball so that when you click on the red ball, here's the red ball. I'll click on that. It says ball. Click on the white checkbox. Now the ball is in here. It's covering up my number 1. I want it to be over here in the left-hand corner. So down here to program this ball, I'm going to go to the yellow box with the white tab in it, and I'm going to choose the Start on Tap Ball. Drag that in. When you tap the ball, I want to go to page 2. Over here is the red box with the white tab in it. Oh, here's page 2. When I click on the ball, I go to page 2 when I'm on page 1. Let's test it. Click the green flag. Let's click on the ball when I'm on page 1 and see where I go. Oh, I go to page 2. Now, when I'm on page 2, I want to go back to page 1 so that I can go back and forth. Same procedure. I'm on page 2 and I'm on my character number 2. Oh, wait, I need to add a ball. Let me scroll down. Maybe this time I'll add a basketball. And the basketball shows up in the middle of the screen. I'll move it over to the left. I'm on that character, basketball. When I touch or click on the basketball, I'm going to go to screen 1. Here's the tab for screen 1. Click on the green flag just to make sure everything is set. Now, when I click on the basketball, it should go to screen 1. I'm going to click. There's screen 1. When I click on the beach ball or the volleyball, the red volleyball, it should go to screen 2. And it does. Now, to start the project, you'll want to click on this page 1 to let someone start here, or let them know they need to click on that to get started. but then they can go back and forth between the two pages, just like this, okay? So try adding some characters, try adding different things that you can click on and toggle or move between two pages in Scratch Junior. Good luck, programmers.